Finally, again, welcome back after that process, and let me focus on here, and then we can select this face and this face. We can use the right mouse button and then send all that stuff to the actually different level, for example, and like this one. Okay, we can also send them to actually somewhere. Anyway, okay, let's focus on the here. And after that, we're gonna see that we are creating our boundary here, and we can easily create our toolpath for this face. Okay, so how can we create our toolpath for this area? Of course, we can turn to the 2D. Okay, and then we just need to turn to the transform and the project options. I just need to select this one, and this one, like this. We can also select this one, and then we can hit the OK button. So let me turn to the here. It's a 10. It can be 10 like this. Anyway, it's good right now. So it is created like this one actually. So let me turn to the here and to create some line here. It's okay, it's enough for us, but we also need to add some extra and curve for this one. Okay, or we can select this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. You can see that is projected actually automatically. After that, we can turn to the here, turn to the chain and select all that curve, and then we can use the right mouse button to make them different color. Oops, sorry. And then that's it actually. We are ready to create our toolpath. So it is also possible to create some curve here. We can hit the surface from solid actually. So we can select all that faces like this, like this one, and this one, and this one, and then we just need to hit OK button. You can see that all the face is created automatically. Okay. Oops. Yeah. After that, when we turn to the here, we can create our actually toolpath. We can turn to the here and to create our pocket operation maybe, or we can also use the different operation. It's not important. When we turn to the here, we can turn to the color selection and we can select all of them, and then as a boundary we can select this area, and then we can create our new tool. My tool can be end mill with 5 mm and radius 1. So it can be 1 feed rate and my cutting speed. We can turn to the here. We can reactivate clearance plane. It can be retract incremental 2 and the incremental 1. This is the stock to leave on the drive face, and maybe it can be 0.2, and then I just need to write 0.5 mm. And let me turn to the here. We can turn to the incremental, not absolute, and we can make them 0 to 0, and then that's it actually. Let me recalculate my toolpath and to see what we have right now. Okay, you can see that, and pocket operation can be seen like this. Okay, it's perfect. Actually, it's also possible to trim that toolpath. You know that that's not quite well for us, or you can ignore that stuff. Okay, it's up to you. So let me turn to here like this one.